Want to run Facebook ads like a pro? Let me show you.
Facebook ads can reach millions fast, growing your business.
First, set up your Ads Manager account in a few clicks.
Pick the right goal for your campaign, like traffic or conversions.
Target the right people by choosing age, location, and interests. Use custom and lookalike audiences to reach the most engaged users. Create eye-catching ads with images, video, and strong copy. Pick the perfect format that matches your goal and audience. Set your budget smartly and schedule your ads to run at the right time. Always double-check your settings before launching your ad. Want killer Facebook ads for your business? Hire this expert today.